Hi, my name is Dr. Hilliard. I work at Hayward Road Animal Hospital, and I'm here today to talk to you about everything you need to know to do with dog eye care. I have my assistant Haley here, and she's going to be asking me some questions.
Dr. Hilliard, what is the most important thing when it comes to taking care of my dog's eyes?
So, most importantly, we don't want to be adding anything to their eyes in general, making sure that they look nice and healthy and clean. You should always be able to see the whites of their eyes, no discharge other than maybe a little bit of clear discharge. So, if you see any of those things, definitely let us know.
How does proper eye care impact the health and well-being of my dog?
So obviously, the better their eyes are looked after, the happier they will be. You can have a lot of eye issues that cause pain and discomfort, which can then lead to depression and all kinds of other things. And so, just like us, we want to make sure we're staying on top of our eye care, and if we see anything abnormal, to let us know.
Should I bring my dog in to see a veterinarian if I suspect a vision problem?
Yes, absolutely. Because just like people, we don't want to mess around with eyes. Those issues can turn nasty pretty fast, especially if we have a scratch or an ulcer or things like dry eye. And so we want to get them in as soon as possible.
And what are some signs and symptoms that my dog may have eye issues?
So if your dog is bleeding excessively, pawing at its eye, if you see a lot of red, green or yellow discharge, if the eye looks like it has a film on it or a white speck or something like that, really just anything abnormal, let us know.
And why is it important to avoid self-diagnosing dog eye issues?
Because, first of all, the longer we wait, the more damage can occur. And secondly, it can be very difficult to diagnose an eye issue without the proper testing and equipment, which can only be found at somewhere like a veterinarian's office.
And how will a veterinarian diagnose a problem with vision or other eye issues in my dog?
So there's three eye tests we typically start with. The most common one is an eye stain, and that's where we look for scratches or an ulcer on the eye. We also have something called a dry eye test, which is where we measure the tear production. And then we also have a pressure test, which looks at things like glaucoma, where you have a lot of pressure in the eyes. And so all these things can be done here at Hayward Road Animal Hospital. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you soon.